Scaling annotations. We draw our objects in model space full scale, full size, all the time. However, we need special consideration for things like our text, for our dimensions, our hatches, so that when we scale them down, that the objects will be the right height when we plot. And one of those areas is in our annotation, in our text. We can manually scale those. So in this example, we are 1/4 inch equals a foot. So in order for all this text to be an 1/8 inch when we plot, we have to have we have to manually scale this text and set it to a certain text size. That text size is an 1/8 inch times the scale factor. The scale factor for 1/4 inch equals a foot is 48. So how many 1/4 inches are there in a foot? It's 48. So we multiply an 1/8 inch times 48, we end up with 6. So all this text in model space will be 6 inches tall. Now down here in our walls section, we want an 1/8 inch text, but our scale here is 1.5 inches equals a foot. So our scale factor is how many 1.5 inches are there in 1 foot? Well, there's 8, so our scale factor is 8. So we multiply an 1/8 inch high text times 8, we end up with 1 inch. So all this text in our detail, our wall section detail, is going to be 1 inch tall. So we can manually set our text by manually scaling it. We'll also learn in upcoming chapters that we can set our text to be annotative objects, and AutoCAD will calculate the height of the text based on whatever scale factor we pick. So when we picked it from 3/16 equals a foot to 1/4 inch equals a foot, it would automatically update all that text for us. We wouldn't have to change anything. So scaling annotations, we can either do it manually or we can do it by having annotative objects.